Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are fine. Well, we have completed exercise 3.1 to 3.4 of chapter 3 till now, and I assume that you all have gone through all these exercises. Now, we will move further with the exercise 3.5, and this is the last exercise of your chapter as well. Now, in this exercise, we have to do is to find the estimating product. Now, what do you mean by estimating product? Like, what is the meaning of estimating product? Estimating product means the nearly or approximate value of any product. So, to find out the estimate product, we have to round off the number roughly in our mind and then multiply that numbers. So, let's know how to round off. There are further step of round off. If we have two digits, then the steps of round off are: step 1. If the number is less than 5, like we in two digit number we have two digits like ones and tens, we have to always see this ones number. If this ones number is less than 5, it will become 0. We make it 0 in the backward direction. Like if I go through this table, like 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. If we have any number less than 5, we will make that 0 in backward direction. We will make, if we have 14, we will make it 10. If we have 13, we will make it 10. If we have 12, we will make it 10. We have done it in every situation. Like if we have 24, we will make it 20. Now step 2, if the number is more than 5 or 5, more than 5 or 5, tens digit. So we will make it 0 in forward direction. Like by again this table, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If we have 15, we will make it 20. If we have 16, we will make it 20. If we have 17, we will make it 20. Like if we have more than 5 or 5, we will make it 20, which make it 0 in the forward direction. Like if we have 27, 37, we will make this 27, 30, 37, 40. We will make that 0 in upward direction. Or if we have the number less than 5, we will make it in backward direction. This is the step for 2-digit number. But if we have 3-digit number, in 3-digit number we have to check ones, tens, 100. In 3-digit number we have to check the position of tens number. If the tens position number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or less than 5, then we will round off it to the previous 100. Previous 100. Like if we have 105, 104, 103, 102, 101 and this 100. If we have 104, we will make it 100. If we have 103, we will make it 100. It can any number. Like if we have, in this we have to check tens position number. So this is the 0, but if we have 125, so this tens number is less than 5, so we will make it 0 in the previous direction, so it will be 100. Got it? If we have the number 728, so we check the position of tens, this is 2, this is less than 5, so we will make it 100 in previous direction, so it will be 700. Like this we have to make this 100 position number. Now again, if the tens position number is 5, or more than 5, like we have 768, so it will be 800, because the number 6 is more than 5 and we will make this 100 in upward direction. So 700, if we add another 100, it will become 800. Like if we have 471, 7 again higher than 5, so it will be 500. So by this it makes us clear that if we have number tens position number less than 5, then we will make it 100 in the previous direction. But if we have tens position number more than 5, then we will make it 100 in upward direction. So by doing an exercise question, we will make this clear in our mind. In exercise 3.5, first B part of your first question, 28 into 54. Now 28 ones, tens, 2-digit number, so we will check the position of ones. This ones is more than 5, this is 8, so it will be 30. And 54, again we check the position of ones, this 4 is less than 5, so we will move it in backward direction and it will be 40. No, it's 50. Like if we have here 5, so it will be 50. If there is 4, then it will be 40. Now to know the approximate value or estimate value, we should multiply this 30 with 50. 30 into 50. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 5, again 0. 5 into 3, 15, and this will be 1500. Now if we know the correct answer, this is our estimate answer, but if we want to know our correct answer, so we will solve this statement 28 into 54. Firstly we multiply this 4 with this multiplicand, 4 into 8, 32, 2 here and 3 here, 4 into 2, 8, plus 3, 11. 8 into 5, 40, 0 and 4, 5 into 2, 10, plus 4, 14, 2, 1, 5, 1. This is our correct answer and our estimate answer is 1500. So you can see the difference, that estimate answer is approximately true, but it is not correct. We can assume the value from this, but it is not correct value. This is our correct answer and this is our estimate answer. You can check all the question of first part of exercise 3.5 like this. If you have any query, you can contact me. Now we will move further with the second part. In this we have 3-digit number. Like again I told you the example B of second part, that is 706 into 541. Like in this we have 706. Firstly we should check the position of tens, because it is 3-digit number, so we will check the position of tens. This is less than 5, so it will move to backward 100 position, so we will make it 700. 541, ones, tens, 100. This 4 is again less than 5 and we will make it 500. We will make it 100 in backward direction. If we have more than 5, we will make it forward direction. So now we just know the estimate value, so we just calculate this 700 into 500. 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 7, 0. We will put a cross in the ones position as I told you earlier. Again this 0 will be multiplied with this multiplicand, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 7, 0. Now we will put 2 cross in one sentence because there are 3 digits. Now 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 7, 35, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 and 3. Now this is the approximate value, this is the estimate product. But if you want to solve the question, like if you want to know the exact value, you can multiply this 706 into 541, 6 into 1 6, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 7 7, 6 into 4 24, 4 into 0 0 plus 2 2, 4 into 7 28. Now 5 into 6 30, 5 into 0 0 plus 3 3, 7 into 5 35. Now we add this 6 4 9, 8 plus 3 11, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and this 3. 3,81,946 is your exact answer. I told you this method in your previous exercise. You can solve it like this. But in this exercise, you know how to calculate approximate value or the estimating product. You can do this by this method. Now, this is your answer of this exercise question. This is just to know that what will be the exact answer. In this exercise, you don't need to do this, but just to do this. I will show you that if we solve it exactly, so this will our answer and this is our approximate answer. So now you can do all the exercise question, first part and second part like this, and if you have any query in any question, you can contact me. Thank you.